Hello guys, welcome back to the series of asking yourself the hardest question possible. So today I want you to pause and think what are the part of you that you have to bury because people around you did not value it. Did you stop crying out loudly or laughing out loudly because people told you that being an adult means having the emotional restraint always? What are the part of you that you have to shut down to soften out to make other people comfortable around you? Because those were the part that we have to carry on our life journey. Those are the part that were pure. Those were the part those knows how to enjoy time logiclessly. But when you lose them because other people told us to, we stop enjoying the life. We become anxious, we become sad, we become critical of things around us or to ourselves. The people who are criticizing you for being expressive, who are making you uncomfortable for being expressive, needs to work upon themselves. Those are their battles to carry and not yours to carry. So leave that at the door and come into the room where you can sit with your inner self, where you can cry, where you can laugh and do the things that you loved doing as a child without thinking about logic, without thinking about purpose and time. Just do it for the pure joy. And if you think that anxiety is something that is holding back you from the healing, from the transformation in life, then I have a little surprise for you. Click on my link tree and click on the title Letter to My Anxiety by Aina Arora. And at the end, there is a therapist note that I have written specially for you guys. And I hope that letter is something that your heart needs right now. And if you like it, tell me in comments and you can also send me DM.